With it being Thanksgiving week, I wanted to take the time to talk about being thankful. Dance teaches us so much more than just the footwork that we do. It's more than just practicing your plies and your pirouettes nonstop. This week, I want to be able to celebrate being thankful for all the things that dance teaches us. It teaches us respect, accountability, teamwork. It builds friendships. It teaches us about patience, and it teaches us about hard work. And these are just a few things to be thankful for. So as we go throughout this week, I want you to think about ways that dance has impacted your life. Whether you are training and you want to go into this as a profession, or for those who are planning on another career choice, dance still teaches you many other things aside from just the technique work. And I think that's something that we should all be thankful for, that there's so much more that we can learn when we are in a studio or a dance setting. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about how dance teaches us about respect. I will see you then.